As we are still here in the culinary capital of the Philippines, we are here in the city of San Fernando in the province of Pampanga. At nandito nga tayo sa loob ng BREN GUIAO Convention Center for the continuing coverage of your Pampanga Inter-Municipalities-Cities Basketball Tournament, or better known as the Delta Cup 2024. As you take a look at Kian De La Cruz, our player of the game in yesterday's win of Bayong Masantol. Habang mga kalaban naman nila in our second game, ito nga pong kupunan ng Juan Sasuman na gustong sumubok na makabingwit ng kanilang unang panalo here in the tournament. Yes, this is our game at hand. Bayong Masantol kontra Juan Sasuman. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, all over the world. My name is Alvin Tañada and we are live through our Facebook page, Pampanga PIO, and also through the YouTube channel of Pampanga_PIO, and syempre through our Facebook channel, Sinag Lakas or Sinag Liga TV. Yan nga po ang ating mga live streaming platforms. As ito nga parehas sa kupunan na to are looking forward to a good run on their brackets. As we take a look at the team standings, you can see right now itong team sa kabila, nanalo na nga itong Kaluguran Santa Rita. They are now at solo 5th place. Habang dito naman sa kabila naman, you can see Bayong Masantol is at the lower part of the team standings, but Juan Sasuman, sila po yung natatanging ko po na wala pa pong panalo sa bracket B. So abangan natin if itong Bayong Masantol can move up, or can Juan Sasuman finally get their first victory. And right now, let's turn it over to Ryan Paro for the starters of this matchup between Bayong Masantol and Juan Sasuman.
Good afternoon, Kabalen basketball fans. Live from the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. This is the second game of our quadruple header for the 2023-24 Delta Cup Inter-Cities Municipalities Basketball Tournament, powered by Sinag Liga Asia. We're live on Facebook, facebook.com/Pampanga PIO Public Information Office, and on YouTube at Sinag Liga TV. Here's a game featuring Bayong Masantol versus Juan Sasuman. Let's meet the starters first for Bayong Masantol. Small forward, number 11, Kian De La Cruz. Power forward, number 25, Yang Francisco. Center, number 6, Allen Sunga. Point guard, number 0, Joshua Cortez. And shooting guard, number 23, Charles Uzi. Head coach for Masantol is Andre Lacam. Assisted by JC Sarmiento, Nico Ocampo, Paulo Suga. And now the starters for your Juan Sasuman. Small forward number 0, CJ Manalang. Power forward number 8, Jonel Espiritu. Center number 5, Phil Tugo. Point guard number 30, Aris Beltran. And shooting guard number 4, Mark Magsino. Head coach for Sasuan, JC Cruz. Assisted by Kevin Ongcal, Jobet Manganti, Joey Razon, and Nathan Cruz. Your referee in charge of this second game are Michael Galutera, Noel Menchero, and Birds Isuga. It's Masandol versus Sasmuan for 2022.
As we take a look at the starters for Bayong Masantol, it's Uzi, Cortez, Sunga, De La Cruz, and Francisco. Para naman sa Juan Sasmuan, it's Beltran, Magsino, Manalan, Espiritu, and Tungol. And we are about to start our first quarter of action mula dito sa loob ng BREN GUIAO Convention Center, the home of the tasty sisig. Masarap na sisig po dito sa Pampanga. First basket kagad ng koponan ng Bayong Masantol. So maganda simula dito. Again, they won in yesterday's ball game as that's a 3-ball para dito kay Aris Beltran. So both teams shooting well here to start the ball game. And that's a turnover. And Manalang scores for CJ Manalang. So 5 quick points here for Juan Sasmuan. Uzi, the drive, no good. Francisco uses the board and the score. Ito itong Bayong Masantol, galing sa panalo kahapon kontra sa Candaba, when they won 97-82. 15-point win. And Kian De La Cruz adjudged as player of the game. And talking about Kian De La Cruz, ayun na nga, scoring once again for Bayong Masantol. 3-ball on its way. And Aris Beltran, dalawang tres na yan gagad para dito kay Aris Beltran. The attack, Sunga for the score. So both teams starting up on the right foot. So scoring. And that is almost a turnover jump ball.
Possession for Juan Sasmuan, 13-second shot clock.
The 13-second shot clock. Sasmuan gets the ball there. Magsino, knockout play for the score. And another score. So Sunga na naman, back-to-back hits for Sunga. The pass there. And last touch on the guys of white. Kian De La Cruz. Last touch there. Shot clock at 8 seconds. Beltran, sumubok na naman. That's a check shot. Wala. Ball stay.
11-second shot clock.
Dito sa mga taga Sasmuan. A drive, Beltran, and the ball recovered here. 3 seconds left. Do they know it? No, they don't, as that is a shot clock violation. Ten all the score. De La Cruz. Francisco with the drive. Francisco extra pass. Uzi. No. The pass here. And Santol gets the ball back. Kian De La Cruz off the board. No. De La Cruz wala na naman. Third time for Kian. And it's good. The shot for three, no good. Rebound, here comes Cortez, the pass. Kian De La Cruz with the score. At ito, time out para sa Juan Sasmuan. It's already a 4-point lead led by this guy, Kian De La Cruz. Continuing his hot scoring from yesterday's game, he continues to be the main guy for Bayong Masantol. Score natin 14-10 at the end at this timeout. Kian De La Cruz there on your screen. 8 points already here in the first quarter. 8 out of the 14 for the main guy of Bayong Masantol. Kapatawag nga ng timeout kagad si Coach JC Cruz. They go on a fast break. Cortez to Francisco. Orchestrating Kian De La Cruz. De La Cruz sidestep. Kian De La Cruz. 10 puntos na sa panimulaan ng larong ito. Attack there and there will be a foul. And let's take a look at this last play. And that was a terrific move mula kay Kian De La Cruz. As Charles Uzi will be called for the foul. He missed that. First personal on Charles Uzi. De La Cruz. Francisco. Pass here. Left side back Kian De La Cruz. Uzi for 3. That's a foul. Pushing foul called on Paul Kaling. As Charles Uzi will jump to the free throw line to shoot 3. First one is no good. Second one is good. Third one is good. Oh, good defense there by Bayong Masantol. Cortez to Francisco. The reverse. No. De La Cruz one more time. Doesn't get the basket, but he will shoot 2.
Pushing foul, number 17, Joe Manivista.
Joe Manivista for his first second team foul. Para sa Sasmuan. First one is no good for Kian. As we take a look at Coach Aldre Soriano, one of the youngest coaches that we have. The pass, extra pass, no good still for Sasmuan. Extra pass, no good. Cortez gets, uy, nagandang spin move doon. But that is no good for Cortez. There will be a foul called on number 6. That's Allen Sunga. Second team foul. The shot, no good. So, hindi na nakakascore dito ang Sasmuan. De La Cruz, in the sky play. Nice find to Francisco. Nice find there. That is a goal, a score there by Jomari Vista. Kian, pass to Francisco. Francisco para sa tres, wala. Uzi the jumper, no. Marukot. The pass and the score. So took two quick baskets there. The score natin 21-14.
Pushing foul number 6.
Rather 21-15 the score.
Vince Marukot.
Let's take a look at that last shot earlier. Ang gandang pasa to that open spot para kay Kobe Bana. Substitutions here. Kian de la Cruz now steps out of the ball game. Papasok sa loob ito si Walter Santos. Rather. So the correction on this call, there's the score, 21-15. So, check that, 21-15 yung ating score. There's a foul downstairs on Juan Sasmuan.
Running foul number 17, Jomari Vista.
Jomari Vista called for the foul. Second personal foul niya. Pangatlo na yan. Para dito sa Juan Sasmuan. Substitutions here. For Juan Sasmuan, pasok ngayon dito si Phil Tungol to replace itong si Paul Kaling. Santos, the jumper, no good. Rebounded here by Juan Sasmuan. Marukot, the pass inside to no avail. The pass here inside, the jumper by De La Cruz, no good. At may konting git-gitan sa loob. There will be a foul called. And we'll believe the foul will be called to Juan Sasmuan. Walter Japson over the foul. And you can see there on the rebound scramble, yun yung sa ilalim. Tawagan doon si Walter Japson. Inside, nice move by Francisco. And that's a technical foul called on Francisco. Taunting. Kitang-kita natin yon. That is a no-no in basketball. Let's take a look at that play one more time. Ang ganda naman kasi noon. Then, after that, yun kitang-kita. That's a technical foul on Yang Francisco for taunting. Diyan niya, kaya titira ng free throw dito. Si Marukot. (23-15) the score.
2 minutes.
Approaching we have just arrived the 2-minute mark in the first of our second game of our quadruple header. That pass, Japson to no avail. Rebound, and there's a foul. Foul will be called on Joshua Cortez. First personal.
First personal foul. 14 foul.
LM De La Cruz will be called for the foul, rather. It's a 14 foul, so 14 fouls each. A minute and 40 remaining. Starting first. Santos orchestrating. Going for a possible teammate. Nahirapan. Naagaw dito. Fast break. Let go here. Kobe Banal scores. And now, Bayong Masantol mapapatawag ng timeout dito. Sanang lamang baba na sa 6. Kobe Banal scoring and using his Kobe-esque of moves. Score, it's 23-17. As we take a look at the fans here watching inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center, sinusuporta ang kanilang mga kababayan dito sa Pampanga. And we see the young and upcoming, itong mga young and upcoming stars of Pampanga basketball. And this is your Delta Cup 2024. Siyempre, special thanks kay Governor Delta Pineda. Siyempre, siya yung isa. Siya talaga yung nag-iisip para how the basketball will be the major sport here in the city, or the province rather, of Pampanga. And there will be a foul. Foul be called on Kobe Banal for his personal foul there. Take a look at that. Napasabit eh, yun, nahawakan niya. Itong si Charles Uzi. That's why Charles Uzi will shoot too. First one is no good. Second one for Charles Uzi. Substitution here. Yung shooting nito ni Charles Uzi, parang shooting ng isang kakilala ko eh. Ayoko na lang banggitin sino. Pero tago na lang natin siya sa initials na NS. Marukot drives in. The drive, and there will be a foul.
Pushing foul number 01, Ellen de la Cruz, penalty situation.
Ellen de la Cruz called for the foul.
Substitution for Masatol. Free throws for Germany.
Naomi free throws here. Para sa Smuan. Second free throw is also good. 2 for 2. Baba lamang sa 5 dito. 37 seconds remaining in the first. Francisco at the post. Francisco, the drive, and he was fouled.
Foul number 17, Giovanni Vista.
Giovanni Vista will recover his third personal foul. Francisco shooting 2 here. First one is no good. Second one no good also. Rebound recovered here by Bayong Masantol. Sunga. Stolen. But Kian de la Cruz passes it inside. Labas muna. Uzi, the jumper to Novale. Uzi. 13.9 seconds remaining. Shot clock is off already. Sunga to Santos. Santos the move. The shot, no good. One more chance. Kian de la Cruz. Wala. As clock runs out. And at the end of 1 quarter of play, it has been a good start for Bayong Masantol, led by Kian De La Cruz. But itong si Aris Beltran and the rest of the Wansas Muan squad looking forward to a better run in the second quarter. And you can see that they really want to win. But Kian De La Cruz top scoring in that first quarter of play. Our score, it's 24-19. We'll be right back for the second quarter of action here in your Delta Cup 2024. At syempre, inaanyayahan namin kayong lahat na manood ang ating Sinag Lakas 40 Semifinals Game 2 on Sunday, January 28, 2024. Dyan po sa Malolos Sports Complex. In our first game of that best of 3 semifinals po ang magiging first game po natin. It will be the match-up between the Tito Rex's Firewire kontra Taytay J Project. Tito Rex Firewire has a 1-game-to-none advantage doon. Habang ito namang second game natin, the visiting Santa Rosa Lion Saints will go up against Malolos Republic. Santa Rosa naman ang may 1-0 advantage doon. Pero susubukan ng Malolos na makabawi pa doon, most especially in their home floor. Kaya abangan natin mga laro on Sunday, as that is still a sorry miss there para dito kay Aris Beltran. There will be a foul.
Foul number 5. That's Phil Tungol's
Phil Tungol will be called for the foul. Foul number 1, team foul number 1. Tapik dito, De La Cruz. The pass. No good for Bayong Masantol. Pero may foul. Matatawag dito.
Body foul number 21,
CJ Sarmiento go for his foul. That's first. You can see yun, nakipagkagawan. At ang nakawakan na doon ni CJ De La Cruz ay ang, or CJ Sarmiento rather, ay ang kamay. 3 ball by Magsino, no good. Rebound. Oh! Kobe Banal's mother there by CJ Sarmiento. Let's take a look at that. Open na siya, pero sabi ni Sarmiento, not in my house. Magsino gets in almost a knockout play. Tungol, wala pa rin na agawan sa bola na pulot ni Sarmiento. De La Cruz to De La Cruz, and the to De La Cruz. Passing. Kian passes it to LM. Let's take a look at this. Fine behind the pass to LM De La Cruz. Kian found that nice feed dito kay LM. That is no good. Banal. Nilabas muna. Tungol. Goes out. Magsino. Kobe Banal moves in. Kobe. That shot clock is at 1.2 seconds. And a player is down. That is Joshua Cortez. Joshua Cortez falling down.
1.2 seconds shot clock.
1.2 on the shot clock here. As Joshua Cortez walks out of the floor. Eto, Cortez din sumubok ng 3. Wala. Rebound na pulot ng Bayong Masantol. Pero naaga ulit ni Cortez. Inside for the score. Drive, and that is (27-21) the score. Bayong Masantol still on top by 6. Pero ang babawasan yan ni Aris Beltran as he scores on the basket there. And ito git-gitan sa backcourt between Santos and Beltran. The foul will be called on Aris Beltran. Let's take a look at this play once again. Aris Beltran, the pint-sized daredevil, attacking there. That is a foul. Kobe Banal's second personal as we take a look at that play. Ayun o, nahuli yung palo doon. At meron na namang foul doon, hinahawakan dito. I think that will be on number 13, Johan Magpayo.
Penalty situation. First personal number 13, Johan Magpayo.
So that is why Sungat o tungo sa free throw line to shoot 2. First one is no good. Sunga still no good in the second. 27-23 still the score. That's an offensive foul called on Magpayo. So pangalawa na yan.
Foul on number 13, Johan Magpayo. Second personal. Addition there for this one.
So take a look at the one Sasmuan head coach JC Cruz. Francisco the drive, no good still. Sunga third serving, still no good. Cortez with the recovery. And that ball is tapped out of bounds.
18 seconds, shot clock.
27-23, still the score. Apat pa rin ang lamangan dito ng Bayong Masantol. That is a steal here. Francisco moving, fouled on the drive. Foul is called on John Cortez, number 1 on Cortez. And that's why Francisco tutungo sa free throw line yung Francisco. First quarter, maganda yung nilaro din ito. Natawagan niya lang ng technical because of taunting. So we better be careful. Second one is good. (20-23), 5-point lead here. Marukot, the pass. Labas muna dito. Marukot, the drive, no. And Sunga says, akin na yan. That is a traveling violation. Yan, sa mga nagtatanong, kamusta si Joshua Cortez? We're looking at him right now and I think he is okay. He's just icing his left leg. And hopefully we can see him back later in the second quarter, or even hopefully in the second half if he's going to be rested here by Coach Aldre Soriano. Francisco, nice spin cycle move to LM De La Cruz. The terrific pass mula dito kay Kian, or from Yang Francisco. Nangangalahati na tayo dito sa ating first half here. Shot from 3. That's money para dito kay Mark Maxino. Takbo tayo dito. Cortez. Nahuli ni Gian De La Cruz. De La Cruz running the break. One-man show for Bayang Masantol. Gian De La Cruz scores. 32-26 the score. 6-point lead still. Magsino, Brigi Marupot, and there will be a foul. It's on Walker Santos. As we take a look at this nice drive to the basket mula dito kay Kian De La Cruz. Their team still leading 32-26. As you take a look at our students mula dito sa Pampanga, taking their time off after some of their classes para manood ng Delta Cup 2024 dito sa loob ng BREN GUIAO Convention Center. So sa mga nandito lamang po sa Pampanga, dalaw na po kayo dito. As you can see, the future superstars of Pampanga basketball. It's Cortez, no good on the shot. Recovered by Francisco. We do have 2 more games remaining today. Kaya po, anayan namin kayo na manood po dito sa loob ng BREN GUIAO. Atake ni Kian De La Cruz, and he was fouled. Mark Maxino called for the foul, as that's his first personal foul. First one is no good for Kian, and shout out daw kay Boss Kai, parang Kainard Lopez. Happy birthday. Sana makarating dito yung handa. May mga birthday dyan. Siyempre, happy birthday din sa lahat ng mga may birthday po ngayong araw na ito. Hope that you are enjoying the games. Lalo na yung mga estudyante natin na nag-aaral sa public schools. Right now, on sem break. Ito po yung oras na at least makapag-enjoy po kayo ng basketball. And you can see maybe future idols ninyo dito sa probinsya ng Pampanga. And not just in the Pampanga, but all over the country. As Marukot. Oh, that's almost a good shot there mula kay Chapson.
Second personal, 13 foul.
Francisco called for the foul. Second personal, 13 foul para sa Bayang Masantol. Siyempre, itong we are not just live through the Pampanga PIO, but also we are live through Sinag Liga TV in YouTube. Kaya po, siguradong napapanood to not just in Pampanga, but all over the world. Cortez, na, hinahanap ng mga fans dito. He is okay as Joshua Cortez scores. The pass here, 3, Magsino, that's short. Uy, nice move by Cortez. Kaya alam, nilabas muna niya dahil nandun yung depensa. Drive ni Francisco to no avail. They go, get the basketball, talking about Sasmuan. Cortez using the body and the score. And the lead has been cut down once again to 5, 35-30. As Coach Aldre Soriano, Sus for time, lamang nga sila ng 5. As you take a look at Kian De La Cruz, 14 puntos na dito sa first half as he is the leading scorer for both squads. 14 points, hindi pa tapos yung kanyang ginawa from yesterday's game kontra Candaba. Gusto pa rin niyang ituloy dito as he would like to prove to everyone that he can be one of the top guards, not just here in this league, but on the entire of the Pampanga province. And he is really proving a point here. Cortez, pounded. The spin, Sunga for the score. Lion 3 para kay Beltran. But Magsino gets the ball and the stick back para kay Mark Magsino. 1 minute and 17 remaining. Mark Magsino gets another steal and a basket. Baba ang lamang sa 3. Kian De La Cruz lost the ball. So Bayong Masantol just have to limit their turnovers. Oh, ang ganda naman nun! Aris Beltran and Mark Magsino helping hand in hand here in the second quarter. 6-0 run. 2 kay Magsino, 1 dito kay Beltran. Sana nga, tingnan natin yung replay. Sana mayroong replay dyan. Direk, meron ba tayo? Mukhang pinag-ahanda ni Direk yung maangas na replay dito. Pang malupit ang replay. Pero mga Kian De La Cruz first makes his first. Second free throw for Kian. No good. Beltran. Oy, ganda ulit nun. Pero wala. Chapson. Extra pass. No good in the reverse para kay Beltran. As itong si Aris Beltran walang takot na lumalaban. Not just from the outside but also from the inside. They just would like to review it and the ball possession will go to Sasmuan. They have a chance here to close the half on a good note. 3 ball. That's short. Pero rebound and stick back there. Para kay Phil Tungol. Tabla na tayo sa 38. LM De La Cruz, foul there. And the foul will be called on Cortez.
Hacking foul number 11, John Cortez, second personal foul.
Second personal foul on John Cortez. As LM De La Cruz will shoot the free throw. Uy! LM De La Cruz misses the first entirely, pero second one no good. So last shot time for Wansasmuan. They do have the opportunity to take the lead entering the second half. 7 seconds. Beltran, uy, umupo na naman sa ere si Aris Beltran. And that has been the story of Wansasmuan here in this quarter. The guards have played well here, led by Mark Magsino and Aris Beltran. Let's take a look at this. These highlights as easy 2 points there mula kay Tungol. That tied things up, and you can see, grabe, itong si Aris Beltran as he led the comeback for Wansasmuan. They take a 2-point lead at the half, 40-38. We are back here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center at the half of our second game. It's 40-38. Wansas Muan taking a 2-point lead in this matchup kontra dito sa Bayong Masantol. Alvin Tañada on the call here as it was a story of two different quarters. First quarter nga maganda yung nagisimula nitong sila Kian de la Cruz and the rest of Bayong Masantol. But in the second quarter alone, it was the backcourt tandem of Aris Beltran and Mark Magsino leading the way for their squad as the fans of Wansas Muan happy with how they really played here. As we take a look at the bench of the Wansas Muan and the leading scorers, you can see there, Kian de la Cruz leading the way for Bayong Masantol once again with 15 points, Yeng Francisco and Alan Sunga 7 and 6 respectively, while Aris Beltran 14-9 naman para kay Mark Magsino and Kobe Banal with 7. And you can take a look at the two players, Aris Beltran and Mark Magsino. These are backcourt players, meaning point guards po ito, leading the way for Wansas Muan, especially ito si Aris Beltran and Mark Magsino. Those are 23 points combined for these two players. As we see the bench of Wansas Muan, hindi mo isiping 0-4 ang standing nila after that incredible first half of action for Bayong Masantol. Again, they coming off a 15-point win against Candaba kahapon. So is it this somewhat like a case of fatigue? Let's see. As Beltran now gets the ball. Beltran, well defended now by LM de la Cruz. Nice find. Tungol for the score. And then to turn over naman ulit dito. Let's see this fine pass by Beltran to Tungol for the inside score. So it's not just scoring na ginagawa nito ni Beltran, pati pag-assist, pag-orchestrate. This guy is another one, Magsino. The shot is good. And the lead now up to 6. 44-38. De la Cruz. The shot from 3. No good for Kian. Beltran. No good. That's a turnover. Uzi. The extra pass. LM De La Cruz for the score. Just to let everyone know, kanina no first game natin, ito si Macves Manese was playing terrific in the first quarter. But nanahimik siya all throughout the ball game. Now, Kian De La Cruz, ganyan din ang nangyari sa kanya. Ang ganda ng simula niya, pero nanahimik siya. Let's see if he can continue this, but he gets that turnover once again. Talking about Kian De La Cruz, maganda yung panimula, pero again, it's not the way you start the ball game. It should be how you end it. Ngayon, itong 4 na puntos na kalamangan ng Wansas Muan, susubukan madagdagan pa as Cortez. All confidence on that jumper. 46-40. Balik sa 6 man lamang. The biggest for Wansas Muan. Sunga. Now it's just 1-on-1 basketball more for Bayong Masantol. Beltran, nagkape na naman sa ere. And Aris Beltran scoring there. The pass, Uzi. The pass to De La Cruz, LM, losing the ball. That's a turnover. 2-on-2. Chapson, the layup, the foul on Kian De La Cruz. Let's take a look at that one more time. Nagkape pa sa ere. Itong si Aris Beltran, 16 puntos na para dito kay Aris Beltran. Parang ang gandang tanongin kay Aris Beltran, no? Anong kape ba ang iniinom niya pag nasa ere, no? Yung masarap na kape dito sa San Fernando, Pampanga. And the second free throw is good. Pero sigurado yung kapeng iniinom nito ni Beltran, nagbibigay ng magandang energy sa kanya. And the Wansasmuan squad. Lamang na ng 8 at may foul on Aris Beltran. Nakanasobrahan sa kape si Aris Beltran. Third personal foul on Aris Beltran, and that is a foul there.
Offensive foul, number 21,
CJ Sarmiento, second personal foul called on CJ Sarmiento. Cortez, the attack, and now Cortez scoring. So it's John Cortez, Aris Beltran, and Mark Magsino leading the way here. And Coach Aldre Soriano seeing that sobra na. Kailangan natin mag-usap, guys. With that drive mula kay John Cortez, timeout is called by Bayong Masantol. As you take a look at Aris Beltran, he has been terrific all game long, 16 points. Yes, ilang pagkakape sa ere ang ginawa nito ni Aris Beltran. Dalawa nung first half at isa ngayon to start this quarter. And he has really played well. Wansasmuan. CJ Sarmiento scoring inside. Cortez for 3, that is too short. Inside, smothered by the defense of Bayong Masantol. Kian de la Cruz scores. Beltran na naman to no avail. Substitutions here. Beltran uupo muna. Papahinga sa mga 1 to 2 minutes. Vincent Marocot will check in. Cortez gets the ball. Orchestrating. Cortez using the Sunga screen. Cortez moves in. Cortez, the scoop shot is good. At ang lamang, baba na lamang sa 4. A quick 6-0 run by Bayong Masantol. Kaya napatawag ng timeout ang Wansasmuan. Don't forget to like and share the Pampanga PIO page for updates on your Delta Cup 2024 and also to watch our games of your Delta Cup 2024. Don't forget to subscribe to Pampanga PIO at YouTube. At syempre, para mapapanood nyo pa rin yung lahat ng games, not just of the Delta Cup, but also of your Sinag Liga Asia. Subscribe to Sinag Liga TV. 52-48, 5 minutes and 32 remaining here. Marocot drives in, pero natapikan, and the ball will go back to Bayong Masantol. Cortez. The attack. And let's see if they will count. They will count that.
On the foul, number 6, green.
As a foul will be called on the Marukot. As you can see, yun. Pinapumasok yung tira. Si Vince Marukot will be called for his first second team foul. As Cortez misses the free throw. 2 team fouls each for both squads. The drive, natapik. Sunga there, and there will be a foul on 1+1. Foul is called.
Foul on number 17, Jordan.
Then that's a 4th personal foul on John Vista. Uzi, the pass. Cortez moves closer. Extra pass. That's a basket there for Alzunga. And Phil Tongol scores once again. So palitan tayo ng baskets dito. Naman pa rin ng dalawang 1+1. Cortez, uy! That's a good basket there for Joshua Cortez. Nice rebound, pero nahuli ni Sunga. Before all the score. Minutes and 32 remaining here. Shot back at 10. Shot to Cortez. That's short. Rebound recovered here by the guys in blue. Takbuhan. Marukot. Basket plus the foul. The foul will be called. You take a look at that last basket there. Mula kay Vincent Marukot as the foul is called on Joshua Cortez. He will shoot the bonus here. Marukot gets it to go. The drive inside, no, but Sunga was there to score. Almost agawan, and that is a jump ball. (57-56) the score. De La Cruz. The pass. The shot is good. Para kay Uzi. Balik ang lamang sa Bayong Masantol. And they're just holding on here. LM De La Cruz. The pass, the corner shot by Uzi, no good. Rebound, and there's a foul.
Foul on number 21. Third personal on CJ Sarmiento.
And CJ Sarmiento will be called for the foul. So there's a 14th foul. Drive inside. Marukot to Cortez. Cortez, the jumper. No good on the shot. Kobe Banal scores. CJ to once again scoring here. Palitan na scoring pa rin dito. Bayong Masantol has a 2-point lead here. And Kian De La Cruz scoring once more. Balik sa 4 ang lamang. Under a minute left. The attack. The pass, Magsino for 3. Gets it to go! Francisco the drive. Francisco no. Phil Tungol with the rebound. Once as one. They need to get one more basket here. Shot clock, game clock, difference of 10 seconds. Tres para kay Cortez. No. Tungol, no good. And that is last touch on Uzi.
$11
11 seconds on the shot clock. So around 6 seconds difference. Shot clock, game clock. Marukot for 3. That's money! Balik ang lamang Juan Sasmuan. Last shot time. Uzi doesn't know it. No, he does. But there's a foul. But they will try to review that if pasok pa sa oras. The referee is conferring. They will review that. Pero teka lang, ano bang inaano ng referee? Sabi, re-reviewin. Pero sabi nila, there's no foul. So we will end the third quarter as we take a look at the third quarter highlights. Ito si Mark Magsino right on time on making baskets together with itong si Vincent Marukot for them to take a 2-point lead after 3, 65-63. Juan Sasmuan looking good here in this ball game, but 3 quarters is just not enough in the basketball game kasi nga 4 quarters to. Let's see if they can sustain how they are playing here and take home their first victory of your 2024 Delta Cup, or will Bayong Masantol win back-to-back matchups as they won yesterday kontra Candaba. Gusto nilang maka-back-to-back pa dito as it's just a 2-point lead. 2-point lead here for Juan Sasmuan. As you take a look at Coach JC Cruz. Fourth quarter now starting here mula sa loob ng BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Beltran. The shot, there's a foul. And the basket para kay Aris Beltran.
And foul number 11,
Kian de la Cruz covered the foul. Second personal foul. Team foul number 1 for Bayong Masantol. Free throw is good. (68-63). There is a foul there.
There's a foul on number 21,
CJ Sarmiento called for the foul.
That's his fourth
Fourth personal foul on Sarmiento. And a basket there para kay Cortez. There is a foul once again here on the end naman of Wansasmon. John Cortez called for the foul. Third personal foul for him. Jumper by Uzi, no good. Rebound ang Pulot Espiritu. And Beltran will just use the clock here. Mahaba pa to. Cortez. Inside Espiritu, the big body, no good. There's a foul on Chapson.
Line foul number 25 for Bear Yapsun. Second
personal foul. Yung Chapson, pangalawa rin ng Wansasmuan. 70-63, balik sa 7 ang kalamangan ng Wansasmuan. Francisco, the spin. No good. Good defense there. Loose ball scramble. Agawang buko. That's a kick. And the fans of Wansasmuan are very much excited on this agawang buko. Nakita natin na yun, tumama na sa paa nitong. And that was tumama na kay Yang Francisco yun. Beltran the move. Chapson the jumper. Short. Beltran recovers. Chapson. Inside. That's travel. (70-63) the score. The drive and the pass, and that was too strong. Seven minutes and 43 remaining here in the fourth. Beltran. Kian de la Cruz. Cortez. Dribbling. The pass. And the shot, Espiritu. There's a foul. The foul is called. Charles Uzi will be called for the foul. Second personal foul on Charles Uzi. As you take a look at this pass, break attack by Kian de la Cruz. Still looking to keep their hopes alive in this matchup, but Espiritu misses the first. Pre, batiin natin mga nanonood sa atin. Si Beto Sunga, Cyrus Nico, nanonood din. And Mon Soriano also watching. And ito, Mark Andre Banal also watching through our Facebook page sa Pampanga PIO. Siyempre, live din tayo sa Pampanga PIO YouTube channel and Sinag Liga TV. Siyempre, shout out sabi ni Eric Kenneth Cabrera. Shout out daw sa mga ka-work niya na si Riga May Intal and Mariel Gadi. Happy birthday sa inyo. And the session will be going to Bayong Masantol. 8 seconds on the shot clock here. Does Cortez know? Cortez the drive to no avail. Rebound. Sungan. Fouled. He will shoot 2 free throws here. Espiritu will be over the foul. 13 foul. First personal foul on Jonel Espiritu. Sunga. He's shooting 2 free throws. Ito, nagpapa-shoutout niya yan, mga ano. Adrian Peña, Jairus Banal, Vince Hardy Soriano. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Walang sakong pagsuporta. Shoutout daw si Junior Banal. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood ng inyong Delta Cup 2024. Espiritu, masyadong mataas yung pasa para sa kanya. Takbo tayo dito. Sunga the attack. Sunga! No good. Rebound na pulot. Espiritu, nice pick. And the basket. (72-66) the score. Kian De La Cruz scoring. That's a traveling violation. Substitution ngayon dito. Shout out nga po dito sa mga nanonood din sa atin. Roniel Timog. Nanonood yan. So salamat. As you take a look at that tough shot mula kay Kian De La Cruz. There is a foul. Take a look at that. Uy, yun. Yeah, gumagalaw si Espiritu nun. That's a clear foul. And for Jonel Espiritu, that's a second personal foul. Warning on the bench of Juan Sasmuan. Improper bench decorum. First free throw, pumasok. That is a miss there. Shout out daw sa nanonood mula sa Taguig, Jobet Sunga. Shot ni Beltran, no good. Rebound. Napulot ni Phil Tungol. Tungol, jumper from the perimeter. Kian De La Cruz. Extra pass, and that's a basket there for Ian Francisco. Beltran. Setting it up. Moving inside. The pass, the three. It's good! Pamatay sunog para kay Vince Marukot. Balik ang lamang sa 4. Francisco the drive. Francisco gets this basket. (75-73). Marukot the drive. Marukot scores. 77-73. Let's take a look at Marukot with the drive, and there will be a challenge. Coach's challenge ngayon. There will be a challenge here. Let's see kung ano yung re-reviewin nila dito. They will be reviewing that last out-of-bounds play. And ito, shout out muna tayo sa mga nanonood. Hindi lamang po sa mga nanonood dito sa Pampanga, pero nanonood din po all over nationwide and all over the world. Shout out kay Mariel Gadi. Ito, watching from Abu Dhabi, Minli Ganrea. Shout out din. And shout out kay Cherry Pink. And shout out kay Dane Caladiao, and also kay Sen, nanonood din yan. Shout out sa Sonic Family. Maraming salamat sa inyo mga nanonood. Cherry Pink watching from home daw. Yan, mga nanonood sa atin. This is turning out to be an intense ball game. Right now, they will be reviewing that display. Sabi ni Beto Sunga, shout out, solid Kapampangan, Jobet Sunga. At watching from the new Senate Building Construction sa Taguig. Nanonood din from Sydney, Australia, Chris Leoncio. Shout out din kay Sian Banal. Boss Edsel and Jesse Boy, happy birthday sa inyo. Shout out kanila Arnel Salonga, Kevin Katap, Maki Astilla from Guagua, Pampanga. Babati din kay Japet Aguilar. Hindi natin alam kung Japet ba talaga ito. But birthday niya ngayon. Happy birthday. Shoutout din sa Sagrados, Ryan Isip, JC Calubad, and also Kevin Katap. And nanonood from California, Edgar Bonifacio. Daming nanonood. Hindi lamang po sa Pampanga, nationwide and all over the world. Shoutout po sa inyong lahat ng mga nanonood through the Pampanga PIO page, Sinag Liga TV YouTube channel, and Pampanga PIO YouTube channel. De La Cruz, no good. Sunga recovers, still no good. Marukot gets the ball. Unti-unti nang numinipis ang oras dito para sa koponan ng Masantol. Marukot fakes. Marukot extra pass. Naagaw. Kian De La Cruz will cut the lead to 2 on that layup. $77-75. They go to Beltran. Beltran para sa tres. Malakas. Rebound. That is last touch on the guys in blue. Payong Masantol will take the ball here. Take a look at this last fast break play. Kian De La Cruz all alone. But he needs more baskets from Kian De La Cruz. Agaw dito. That is a foul. Kobe Banal will recover the foul. 2 free throws will be given to LM De La Cruz. Free throw, first one is good. Second one for LM. Marukot dribbles, moves in, the shot to no avail. Rebound, Kian De La Cruz to LM De La Cruz, the extra pass to Kian. And Kian to LM to Kian. Kahit ano pa yan, it goes in. Shot ni Beltran para sa 3 to no avail. Rebounded by Francisco. Lamang na masantol ng dalawa. We are about to enter the twilight zone. The last 2 minutes of this second game as UC scores. And now, Bayong Masantol is slowly getting its basket here and getting its act here. Para sa Wansasmua naman, unti-unti na silang nalalamangan dito, but it's still a very close one. 4 lang mang ito, dadagdagan pa ng isa, and may Uzi, 5 pa rin to. It's still a 2-possession game here, 82-77. Cortez, they go to Marukot, balik dito kay Cortez. The drive, Marukot for 3. That is off to the left. Loose ball, napulot ng Bayong Masantol. They don't have to foul here, but they fouled for Wansasmuan. Kobe Banal picks up the foul there. That's his 4th. And a timeout is called here by Wansasmuan. Ang lamang dito ng Bayong Masantol ay nasa 5, 82-77. As we take a look once again on the team standings, bakit ba importante ito para sa Wansasmuan? Because they are at the bottom of bracket B at 0-4. A win here will mean that they will tie ING Malugod Candaba at 1-4. But, syempre, kapag nanalo naman itong Bayong Masantol, they will go up to 3-4. And that is going to be a much better standing for them. As we take a look at the next games, andito na yung Lubao, Pampanga. At nandun naman sa kabilang side, nag-aabang na rin sa kabilang, ang kupunan ng Apalit. So, ipakpakang Lubao kontra Apalit sa ating 3rd game. Pero dito muna tayo sa 2nd game kasi dikit pa rin naman to. Kian de la Cruz misses the first. Still giving an opportunity for Sasmuan. Second one, still no good. That's 0-2. Still leaving a door open here. This guy has been silent here in the second half, particularly in the 4th quarter. Beltran, the 3. That's money! Mukhang narinig ako ni Aris Beltran. And now the lead has been cut down to 2. A minute and 16 remaining in this 4th quarter. Timeout on the floor. Let's take a look at that last shot mula dito kay Aris Beltran. That big 3-pointer. He keeps on leading the way there at kita mo, that respect given to him by the young Francisco, saying, you got me out there. Pero still, lamang pa rin ng isa, or ng dalawa rather, ang Bayong Masantol, 82-80. Taking a look at Aris Beltran. Bumubuhos na puntos dito. Pero siyempre, pag sinabi bumubuhos, mas buhos ang shooting ni Kian de la Cruz. As LM de la Cruz, no good. Francisco is good for that basket. Still a two-possession game. Uy, may foul doon.
Receiving foul on number 01,
Alam de la Cruz called for the foul. That's his third personal. That will mean 2 shots. Let's take a look. Uy, parang sa 3 points yun ah. Mukhang re-reviewin talaga nila, pero mukhang sa 3 yun eh. Let's take a look at that replay. Under the last 2 minutes na tayo dito. Let's see if that is from 3-point distance. And I think that is... Yes, that is 3 free throws. Kasi, let's take a look. Ang layo eh. Ang binagsakan niya nasa loob na. Pero yung inangatan niya is way beyond the arc. That is why 3 free throws will be given to Aris Beltran. Pero nagmintis yung una. Second one is good. Third one's no good. Masakit yan para sa Wansas Muan, as there is a foul called on Aris Beltran. And masakit dito, Aris Beltran with 5 fouls. And the first one para kay Francisco is no good. Still leaving a door wide open. Second free throw is good, making it a 2-possession game. Cortez. Back. Magsino. 3 ball, that's money! Cutting the lead to 1. $85-84 the score. The shot to Noville. That is last touch. Though, but we will have a review. And a timeout is called by Wansas Muan, as we will have a review of that last possession. Let's take a look at that drive by Kian de la Cruz to Noville. Last touch. It could be Unsunga. It could be anyone's ball there. As we take a look at the bench of Wansas Muan. 1-point lead. If itong Bayong Masantol gets the possession here, they will have 5 seconds on the shot clock. If Wansas Muan gets the ball, it is their discretion to go half court or full court on this play. And upon review, the possession will go to Wansas Muan. So they will go the length of the court. No more shot clock here. And Kapit Pampanga. This is turning out to be a good one. 11 seconds. Cortez, no good. Rebound, Kian de la Cruz. And Kian de la Cruz was fouled. That will mean free throws for Kian De La Cruz. He missed one early, or 2 free throws earlier. So let's see if he will make at least 1 or 2 here. Kian. First one is good, making it a 2-point lead. 4.6 seconds remaining. No more timeouts para sa Wansasmuan. Second one is good. They are having problems inbounding. Full court press. Marukot, 3! That is no good! As Bayong Masantol survives the Wansasmuan scare as they take home the victory here. They will now go up to 3 and 4, while for Wansasmuan, that was a heartbreaker of a loss as they fall down to 0 and 5. Our final score, it is 87-84, a 3-point victory para dito sa Bayong Masantol. And right now, kasama natin ang ating player of the game. Walang iba kundi si Kian De La Cruz, finishing with 29 points in this matchup. As we are just awaiting Kian De La Cruz. Ito na, kasama na natin si Kian De La Cruz. And first of all, congratulations Kian. Another victory para sa inyong koponan. Back-to-back wins na. How did you try to sustain that win? Lalo na itong Wansasmuan, grabe ang nilaro all throughout the ball game. Ano yung sinabi mo sa mga kakampi mo during the times na talagang lumalamang itong Wansasmuan all throughout the ball game?
Ang sabi ko lang po sa mga kakampi ko, hanggang di naubos yung oras, tuloy-tuloy lang tayo kasi di pa naman natatapos yung oras pag nakalamang sila. Pagka kailangan pa po namin mas doblehin, kasi yun po, nakuha po namin.
Well, we all know yung mga taga dyan sa Masantol, nakasuporta sa inyo all throughout the tournament. I will give you this time to greet everyone na mga sumusuporta sa inyo. Go ahead, Kian.
Una po sa lahat, nagpapasalamat po kami kay Lord. Binigyan po kami ng panalo. Pangalawa po kay Mayor Tontong Bustos sa patuloy po na pagsuporta sa amin, kala Coach, kala SKJC, sa mga tauhan po sa munisipyo, mga konsehal, sa mga kanya-kanya po namin barangay, sa barangay ko po, sa barangay Sapang Kawayan, kay Kapitana Heidi po, tapos kala si Topi, kay SK Chairman Charlie, tapos po sasamahan po namin doon yung samahan Kalabaw, tsaka JDM, yun lang po.
Yes, so thank you very much, Kian. You are the best player of the game with 29 points. And congratulations to you and to Bayong Masantol. And that was a heartbreaker of a loss para sa Wansasmuan, pero siguradong babawi sila into our next games. And speaking of next game, ito na, our next game, it will be Apalit, I love it, going up against Level Up Lubao. Bakbakan ng dalawang teams na nasa taas ng kanilang mga bracket sa ating pagbabalik. More action here in your Delta Cup 2024.